All right, guys. So today we're going to talk a little bit more about different pieces of the project. Mainly here, we're going to talk about how to complete a decision matrix and what exactly a decision matrix is. Okay. So when we are talking about decision matrix, we're looking at step 5 here, and it states that decision matrix is a tool used to compare design solutions against one another using specific criteria. Okay, so we have two resources to pull from here. The first is an example that they show down here stating that they have 4 different ideas, and then they rate those 4 different ideas based on different criteria and constraints. Okay, so they're different ideas. They have a clown beanbag toss. They have can knockdown beanbag launch. They have tic-tac-toe beanbag launch and zombie beanbag toss. Okay, so remember, for our project, we're not requiring that you need a beanbag because I know not everyone has one. But for this case, they have 4 different examples with beanbags. Okay, so they rate their different ideas based on criteria and constraints that they choose. Okay, so you don't have to do these 5 criteria and constraints. Those are the 5 they chose. They wanted to rate theirs based on meets size constraints, engaging design, easy to assemble, easy to play, and safe design. Okay, those are just 5 examples that you could rate it on. You could rate yours on creativity. You could rate it based on time. Like, do you have enough time to do what you want? Okay, so anything that you think of to rate it, you can use it. Okay. Notice here they also have a scale at the bottom, 4 being the best, 1 being the worst. And what they're doing is they rank all these on that 4-point scale. Okay, so for instance, they rate all 4 ideas with that meet size constraints, and they give a few 4s and a 3. Okay, so they do that for each criteria, and then they add up all the totals, and you see here that their highest total has 18. That's the zombie beanbag toss. Okay, so what we want for this project is whichever one has the highest total for you guys in this decision matrix, then I want you to use that as your solution. Okay, and the way we're going to justify it is by saying, oh, it scored the highest on our decision matrix. All right, so we also have another document here talking more about what a decision matrix is. All right, it talks here that decision matrix is one tool that can be used to compare potential design solutions against one another, and that's exactly what we're doing. All right, it also provides evidence to help you make a design decision. Okay, it walks you through steps on how to make one. Right, so you can read these steps 1 through 5, and it basically just goes through what I just talked about. Okay, what I want you to use is this decision matrix template provided right here. Okay, so we're going to use that. So you notice it pulls it up weird on my iPad, but notice here that I have it in our assignment. Okay, so this will be updated for you tomorrow, and you can just pull the template from Canvas. Okay, and then you just fill it in with your different brainstormed ideas. You rate them on different criteria you have, and then the highest total wins. Okay, so shouldn't be too bad. Let me know if you have any questions.